In 60 seconds I'll show how to turn Steam Cloud saves into local saves, step by step. Step 1. Open the Steam client and go to your library. Step 2. Right-click the game, choose Properties, then General. Step 3. Uncheck Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud to disable Cloud Sync for this title. Step 4. Find the game's local save folder by selecting Local Files and browsing the installation folder. Step 5. Back up your cloud saves first by copying any save files to a safe folder on your desktop. If needed, locate Steam Cloud Files in Steam's user data folder to retrieve specific cloud saves. Step 6. Move the backed up save files into the game's local save folder you found earlier. Step 7. Launch the game to confirm it loads the local save and no cloud sync happens. If something goes wrong, restore the backup by copying the files back to their original location. Quick recap: disable cloud, backup saves, move files to local, then test the game. That's it, local saves enabled. Check your game and enjoy offline control.